There are 3 different ways for your videos to be discovered on YouTube. They are search, recommended videos, and linked videos. Today, I'm going to break down what each one means and what you need to do to be found. So, 3 different ways of being discovered on YouTube. I'm going to start with the one that has the least amount of impact on the success of your video. Can you guess which one it is? Surprisingly, it's actually search. Search is also the easiest one to explain, so it's just like Google. You write your search terms in the search bar, and then you'll get a list of videos which are all related to your search terms. Search is defined by the keywords that you use in your title, your description, and your tags, and it is ordered by watch time. As long as your keywords are relevant and your video is getting a good amount of watch time, then YouTube will move your video higher and higher in the search results. Although search is the least impactful, it is still very powerful. Just look at this video that we produced for FJM Plumbing and Heating. It's all about how to stop your outside pipes from freezing. As I'm filming this, the temperatures are dropping outside, so naturally people are searching for this topic. If you type these search terms, you'll see that Fred's video is second in the search results. With no paid or free promotion, this video has received over 200 views in the last week. Not bad for a local plumber. Next, we move on to recommended videos. Recommended videos can be found on the YouTube homepage, and you may have also noticed a line of suggested videos down the right hand side of the video page. YouTube uses click-through rate to measure the success of recommended videos. Click-through rate is the amount of times that YouTube have shown your video as recommended on someone else's video, and that viewer has clicked through and watched your video. The more people click and watch your video from recommendations, the more YouTube will recommend your videos. The way to boost your recommended video ranking is by targeting keywords used in popular videos around a similar subject, and then creating a standout thumbnail that really gets people's attention. A good keyword tactic is to find a popular video on the same subject and include that channel's name in your tags. Again, if we use FJM as an example, their most popular video is about ATAG boilers, and 22% of those views come from recommendations. If we look at this related video, FJM is the top suggested video and its thumbnail stands out. The keywords we use to rank this video are simply ATAG boiler. The last way to be discovered is through linked videos, and this is the easiest discoverability method which you can control yourself. Linked videos are literally views that have been counted due to someone clicking a link to a video within YouTube. So there are 4 different places where you can find linked videos on YouTube. These are your video description, your comments, cards, and your video's end screen. I've got a great method to boost your discoverability using linked videos, and you can find it right here. To wrap up, there are 3 different ways for your videos to be discovered on YouTube, and from least to most impactful, they are search, linked videos, and recommended videos. You need to set up your videos differently to take advantage of these different methods, but you can make them all work together. If you've learned something new, give this video a like, and make sure you subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified of my weekly videos. A good tip.